Hey YouTube, I'm trying to recreate a scenario here where I've got a blind left spot here and my wife is in another car here kind of in the blind spot. So it's at the stop sign taking a left and I want to see how the car creeps, and I've got a second camera posted so you can see what it looks like from a third person point of view. I'm trying to determine how creeping into the lane is happening. So you can see some pedestrians going by there. I'm going to let them get out of the way before I start the scenario. So I'm basically coming to the stop sign, taking a left, and it's blocked right now by some bushes up here to the left that you should be able to see. All right, I've got Navigate and Autopilot available, so I'm going to go ahead and engage it when it will allow me. Oh, it won't go in. Oh, there it goes. Okay, let's see what happens here. It's got the blinker on. Yeah, and it slowed down when it saw my wife's car, but it definitely went out. Let me reset that. Let's try it again. All right, here we are coming up to the stop sign again, and Navigate on Autopilot should be available. Let's see, the route is correct. I'll creep here and let it get its bearings. Unsure of itself. Maybe it knows it can't see. All right, it tried again. It's got a pretty strong steering wheel turn in there. Now, my wife's car is kind of over here. It could see it theoretically. It's in the middle of the lane, stopping for traffic control, autopilot creeping forward, checking for visibility. I'm gonna kind of see here. So her car is not there, and it's going for it. And then it shows up as it was in the lane. Katie, scoot a little bit further forward now. All right, we're gonna change the scenario just a little bit. Okay, this is try number 3. I had her move up just a little bit to get a little bit closer to the intersection. Let's see what happens here when Navigate and Autopilot's available. All right, here we go. So her car is up there behind the bush. I don't know why it's getting way over here in this left lane right now. It's essentially using the whole road. Autopilot pause, creeping forward, checking for visibility. I can see it through the trees, but yeah, so I don't think it can see it. Okay, when you see me starting to creep forward, I want you to start moving the car towards me a little bit though, just slowly, okay? When you see the car starting to kind of come, then you creep forward. Just creep. Okay, in this scenario, I told my wife to have the car just moving slightly so it's not a stationary object this time, and we'll see if it has any different effects. So I'll engage it as soon as it's available. Definitely does not like this scenario as far as the autopilot being available. I've got a nice route. Okay, now it's engaged. I'm gonna go ahead and turn a little bit more here. Here it is again, kind of going towards the left side. It's kind of creeping up a little bit, stopping for traffic control. There, it's stopping. And it's creeping forward for visibility, It committed, and yep, it didn't see it. Okay. I think what we're learning here is that the car definitely is proceeding in the absence of any objects to go around. I don't think it's proceeding because it can see that it's clear. It doesn't map the bush, so it's proceeding. I think that's what's happening here.